to Salem to see Amy today, and then we're gonna go head down to the coast for the weekend. We still have a snow up here in the mountains. It's still cold. Yesterday we had like 3 inches of snow in our area, but it didn't stay that long because it was warm, so it just melted. Anyway, we are heading right now to see Amy to drop her gift for her birthday. Last time we didn't made it to her birthday because of the weather condition. It was a really bad snowstorm, so now we have a chance to take the gift to her and give her a gift. So I will probably see her about an hour and a half here, and I'll show you guys what we're doing at the coast, and I'll see you guys later. And of course I am with Jackie. Hi Jackie.
Hi.
Alright guys, just me and Jackie today, and we are spending our weekend at the coast, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Tayo naman yung original eh. Mas magkaibigan, di ba?
Alright guys, we made it here at Ami's. There's Ami.
Otan, sari-sari.
Utan.
Otan, malunggay. Okay, Jackie.
Alright guys, we are done lunch at Amy's, and we are heading to the coast.
Yay!
We had so much fun visiting, even just for a short time. We had steamed rice and utan. It's a vegetable with meringue. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Got it? Alright guys, we are here. We are checking in. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and we're half hour early, but I'm sure we can check in now. So I'll show you guys our room. Bye. It's a beautiful day today, guys. We are here. We're gonna go ahead and try to check in. We're gonna go check in and see if our room is available. I'll see you guys later. You can if you want. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're a little bit early. I don't know if our room is ready. All right. We are heading to 3rd floor, guys. We are located at 3rd floor, which is the top floor. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting close. We are in 304. Nice. Very nice room. Wow. They have Keurig, flat screen TV. Wow, they have microwave.
Ocean view.
He said no crab or fish in the fridge, please. There's a small freezer and a refrigerator. There's some drawer in there. And they even have a DVD. Wow. Pretty cool. It's cute room.
It's cute.
Clean. Oh, they have bidet. Wow, shower. Very nice. Towels, some makeup remover wipes, laundry basket, toilet paper, and the shower. Of course, there's shampoo and shower gel. Very nice, very clean. It's very nice. Not bad at all. It's a small place, but it's clean.
Nice.
Decent. Nice king bed. Lamp in there. And of course there's two love seat. And there's the view. Woohoo!
Beautiful view.
We got a balcony. That's awesome. I thought we were getting a window, but I guess it's a balcony. So this is very nice. Wow. This is a really nice room, guys. We didn't expect a balcony actually. Alright, I can't complain. Very nice room, and there's also a fan. Very nice. And there's a place there where you can hang your clothes. And a small tiny chair in there where you can sit and put your shoes there underneath. Wow. Very nice. Lamp. And a place to plug in your phone, to charge your phone. I like it. And they, of course they have a ice bucket. All right, so this is where we're staying for the weekend until Sunday morning, and we'll leave in Sunday afternoon. So I'll show you guys what we're doing. It's a beautiful day today. Sun shining here, about probably 50-55 degrees, and it's warm out there. It's just beautiful. All right, guys, we'll see you guys later. I'll show you guys what we're doing today. Bye. Going down. Alright, we're gonna go for a walk. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon and the sun is still out. It's a little bit chilly, but it's okay. We can do this. Here's Jackie.
Sand is slippery.
We are here at Lincoln City. A lot of antique store in here, and of course there's a lot of interesting store to see, and there is also a casino in here, so we might visit casino one of these days, either tonight or tomorrow. That's the hotel that we are staying. It's called Sailor Jack Motel. It's not a very big hotel, guys. It's just a very simple place for the weekend, and the price is not bad either. I think we paid $150 per night on that one, plus tax. Absolutely. Anyway, there's a lot of cars down there. They can bring their car. There's family and kids are walking with their pets, their dog. There's a lot of more people down there. It's just a beautiful day today. I'm so glad we came down today. Beautiful. Guys, we are here at Chinook Winds Casino. We're gonna go check it out and maybe play a little bit, maybe play for $20 and see what's gonna happen. We're not a gambler, so we're just gonna have fun, a little bit of fun, and do something tonight. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.